How to use Telegram on laptop or PC. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the source icon. Now tap on the source bar. Now type Telegram. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Telegram and install it on your device. After installing, open up Telegram on your phone. Now sign in into your account. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up your web browser on your PC or laptop. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Telegram Wave. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon. Now open up the first website. Now select your country and enter your phone number. Now once you're done, simply tap on next. You can also tap on login by QR code. Now go back to the home screen and open up Telegram. Now tap on the three lines. Now tap on settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on devices and click on link desktop device. Now scan the QR code and you are done. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up your web browser. Now enter the code. Now open up Telegram application. Go back and open up the first channel. Now enter the code. Now copy paste the code. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.